Hey guys, so I just wanna show you what I got in Trader Joe's. Oh, okay. The usual, but I'm also getting some things are new. Okay, having this pizza, margarita pizza, and it's really good. Actually, I don't really like pizza, but this pizza is the only one that I like. Bananas, Brussels sprouts, anti-pesto or pesto, I don't know how to say it. Green beans that are already pre-washed and ready to use. And carrots. I love these ones.
I have some Nova salmon.
Nova salmon.
What is it?
We have
Salmon, but this
fresh
is
Italian.
Atlantic
Yeah,
salmon.
salmon. Yeah.
This is sauerkraut. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Same.
But this is supposed to have probiotics and stuff, and it's supposed to be good for you. So I want to try.
Then we have some 4 mini croissants.
Yeah, I love these mini croissants. Vegetable gyoza. These ones are super good. And it's like a nice side dish, really quick.
Then we have 4 almond croissants.
So let me put here like the frozen food. We have to put it in the freezer. These are chocolate croissants. I always do 2 chocolate croissants and
My favorite.
almond croissants. I'm more into just regular croissant. No pain de chocolat.
Some more.
This is something that I have not tried yet, and it's called sliced Korean rice cake.
Oh, that sounds different.
So rice cake, I have never tried this, but I want to try this.
Sure.
So this is I also got this pasta bolognese, meatless plant-based. So mushroom and red lentil pasta. So it's like a plant-based meal that is ready to be used.
Yeah. Then we have the family style meat lasagna.
For people who eat meat. I think I'm gonna eat the bolognese whenever I'm making this for my kids.
Then we have some veggie spring rolls.
These ones are so good. Again, this is like a super easy side dish. Go ahead, baby.
Oh, kettle corn, popcorn. Delicious.
This is like
Actually, I've never tried.
really?
Yeah.
It is so good. And it's like when you want something sweet, but you don't want something like really sweet. So caramel popcorn is a little bit too much for me. So this one is really good.
Pretty good.
It's like sweet and salty. And
Yeah.
just perfect.
I think I like sweet and salty too. Then we have some plantain chips, which are good. I love them. Then we have dark chocolate protein muffin. I've tried these and these are delicious. And then we have more plantain chips.
These ones
Yep.
are super good with Greek yogurt.
Oh, they are?
Yes, it's like so creamy, and when you want something sweet, really sweet and rich,
there you go. Although the thing I don't really like is you have to read the instructions down below instead of up.
Yeah, the instructions are really weird.
Yeah, I was like, at first I was like, microwave this time's very deeply on the.
I made a short on the with this, so you can see it. Turned out pretty good.
Okay, good. And then we have some orange, flavored with other natural flavors.
Right.
Mix
This easy cake thing.
to make.
Now that it's summer, I really want to eat balsamic vinegar with tomatoes and stuff.
Then we have some cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. Tikka masala curry sauce. I think I want to make this today. I think I'm going to make this later. I hope it's not too spicy.
Probably not.
This is also a new thing that I have not tried.
Then we got some flowers.
So this is the one I usually get. It is matcha collagen. That it's almost empty. So I decided to get this one. I don't know. This is my first time trying it, so I don't know how it's gonna be. But I read the reviews online, and everybody likes this one. So.
Then we have some pink lemonade. This is quite heavy.
Yeah, this pink lemonade is. This is really refreshing. I really like it. And it's sparkling, so.
Delicious.
Oh, I wanna tell you about these drinks too. These ones are ginger lemon and probiotic. So I'm all about the gut and the things that are good for you and different things. So hopefully, no, I like these ones. These ones are really good. I like the lemon and I like ginger. So for me, they're good. And these flowers are quiet.
That's all.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.